Hey Kyle, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. So I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can implement right away to start really giving yourself an online presence for your business, all right, and outranking some of your competitors online so that you can organically start bringing in some customers on a monthly basis. So I have your Facebook pulled up here, and I learned a little bit about your business, scrolling through. Obviously you do a lot of plumbing work. We talked about, in the Bucks County and Philadelphia area. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity, and I want to show you that, there's people in the area, both in Bucks County and Philadelphia, searching for your services constantly. All right, so we'll get into that in a little bit. But what I did was I pulled up a couple competitors of yours, okay, in the Bucks County and Philadelphia area that obviously, do what you do and how you can beat them out online to be getting in customers on a consistent basis. All right, we're going to see what's working for them and how you can implement the same thing. So here's the first competitor here, GoodmanPlumbers.com. All right, I'm sure you know they're a big company. All right, this is their Plumber Bucks County, PA page. All right, so this isn't their main page of their website, but when you type in Plumber Bucks County, which brings in a lot of volume each month, so people are typing into Google Plumber Bucks County over 200 times a month. Okay, now obviously when someone types that in, they're looking for a plumber in Bucks County, right? Makes sense. So this is the page that you would be competing against, and this really all has to do with creating a website for you and getting yourself out there, online. That way people can come to you, they see your reputable business, they see the work that you've done, maybe some reviews from previous customers, all right? And then they can just find you right away. They can call you, they can put a quote in online, whatever it might be. So obviously the first step would be creating a great website for you and then competing against these guys. So I'm going to show you again what's working for them, the amount of traffic that they're bringing in to be able to turn in customers. All right, so again, I typed in Plumber Bucks County, and this is the site that comes up as one of the first results. There's not much going on here, okay? When it comes to a website, Google loves to see content, all right? So that's the first thing we're going to get into is content. With Google, it's king, all right? They like to see on a home page 1,000 to 2,000 words, and then on a back page just like this, all right, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that's going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords that are going to be in that content, such as Plumber Bucks County, all right, that again, people are typing into Google all the time. So what I did was I pulled up a report of this website, or of this specific page to be exact. All right, I'm going to show you the metrics on it. All right, so here's the tool I use called Ahrefs. All right, and it shows the rank of this page. It shows the metrics of the backlinks, which is the second thing we'll get into in a little bit. All right, it shows those keywords that I talked about that they're currently ranking for, and then the traffic that they're bringing in each month. Okay, now again, this is just the Plumber Bucks County page. All right, this isn't their main site. But if we click on these keywords, we can see what this current page is ranked for. And you can see here Plumber Bucks County being searched into Google 200 times a month. We see Plumbers Bucks County, PA, 60 searches, all right, and so on and so forth. So there's definitely some generic words, okay, and then there's buyer intent keywords that I like to focus on that have to do with really the service area and then the service, okay? Because again, if someone were just to type in plumber, it could become, it could be from anywhere. All right, so we want to zone in on those buyer intent keywords because we know when someone types in Plumber Bucks County, they're searching for a plumber in Bucks County, and you definitely want to pop up for that so that you're the business that they call rather than someone else. All right, now, again, you can see the volume of searches on Google each month. You can see the traffic that they're getting each month from those searches. Okay, so from this first one alone, they're bringing in 26 searches a month. So that's 26 potential customers that they could be converting. All right, and then you can see the rank on the first page, right? So there's 10 spots in Google on the first page. They're number 3 for that. Okay, Plumbers Bucks County, PA, number 2. Plumbers in Bucks County, PA, number 2, and so on. Okay, so there's just a little overview of those keywords, and then you can see the traffic that they're bringing in. So again, 44 searches out of all those keywords each month. And then, based off of the cost per click, which we're not really going to get into, it gives you a value, okay? Now, the next competitor, and I typed in drain cleaning Philadelphia. All right, now again, you said you service Bucks County and Philadelphia, so I wanted to give you a little bit of an idea for both. Okay, this is the drain cleaning page for Goodman Plumbers. So again, this is top competitor for drain cleaning. And it says here serving Philadelphia, Montgomery, and Bucks County. Okay, but once again, this is what they're showing here on this back page. They've got a little bit of content, right? Not a ton. You could definitely outrank them, with the 500 to 1,000 words per back page. Okay, putting in some great keywords. They have a contact form here, which is perfect. That's what you'd want to see. I recommend putting them towards the top too, so that way people don't have to, really scroll, because, let's be honest, we're all lazy. We just want to be able to click, call the business, or fill out a form. All right. If we have to do a lot of scrolling, people are going to hit the back button and go away. So there's different ways to attract customers. And like I said, with this page and even this last one that we looked at, there's not a ton going on. So it's definitely, doable to outrank them with some great content. So moving on, we talked about content. The next thing I want to touch upon are backlinks. And a backlink is really just a vote of confidence from one site to another. Right? If you're scrolling down a page and you see a link, whether it's through a text or an image, and you click on it and it heads to another site, that's what a backlink would be. And it just gives power and trust to the site it's going towards. All right, so when someone clicks that link, they want to see the relevant content, right, related to that link. So this Plumber Bucks County page, okay, for the Goodman Plumbers, has one site pointing back to their site, giving them one backlink. All right, and again, this is just the trust and the power coming from those backlinks, or that backlink, because it's only one, right? So just like we can outrank this competitor with the content, we can outrank them with backlinks as well. And then just like we went into the keywords, right, found out what they're utilizing, and we can do the same, and then obviously increase the quality. You can go into these backlinks, all right, or for example, this backlink, all right, and beat it out by getting more and more, higher quality ones as well. All right, and then going into this next one, right, the drain cleaning page, again, they only have one site, one backlink, and you can see here the trust and the power are balanced to 11 and 11. So that's that 1-to-1 ratio that we definitely want to see. All right, obviously the higher the number, the better, but we can definitely outrank these guys, again, with better content and better high quality backlinks. So we touched upon a little bit about backlinks, talked about content. The last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is just your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. Okay? And we want to put our information out there so that way, again, wherever someone is, wherever they're searching online, they're going to be able to find you. All right? And what that's going to do as well is increase this Google listing here. Now, this isn't yours, right? This is what happens when I type in quality plumbing and drain cleaning LLC. And even if I type in Levittown, right, I'm not finding a listing for you. Okay, so we definitely want to create a listing here for Google. This is pretty powerful, right? Not only do you want a great website, you want a great Google My Business listing. All right, this is like a little mini website. And again, it just gets your name out there. But adding in those citations and really just optimizing this listing with great pictures, reviews, all your information, and then a great description, which it doesn't look like this one has to show you. But, we talked about content a lot. Putting in some great content to this listing with some keywords, it's really going to set you apart. Okay, again, with great reviews and pictures as well. That way, when we type in, drain cleaning Philadelphia or Plumber Bucks County, whatever it is, okay, and even think about it if it's like pizza place near me or really whatever service or thing you're doing. All right, a lot of us go to Google, we type it in, all right, we see an ad section, a lot of us skip the ads, some of us click on them, but a lot of people get, they gravitate towards this map pack section. So this is called the map pack, and this is where the Google My Business listings are listed, okay? And, not many people are hitting the view all button, okay? Just like not many people are coming down here hitting the second, third, fourth page. So we want to get listed in these top 3 spots and adding in those citations and really, again, optimizing that listing, okay, that's what's going to get you there. And then down here, if people skip the map pack, right, they want to just go right to the websites here. You're going to see Yelp here. Sometimes you see Home Advisor, but you see Goodman Plumbers here, Joseph's Affordable, Zoom Drain. Okay, to get into this section, which is called the organic section, we want to get that content, all right, and those backlinks in line with our website, right? We want high quality content and high quality backlinks. Obviously, first things first, we have to have a website, and then we have to create our Google listing as well, because you can get both of those ranked on the first page of Google here, okay? And these guys are getting all the traffic, all the website clicks, all the phone calls. All right, so focusing on content, backlinks, and citations for your website and Google My Business listing is definitely going to set you apart from your competitors, get you some consistent customers. All right. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. Okay, I'd love to learn more about your business and brainstorm some ideas together to figure out how we can help you out. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. All right, we do a lot of work in the Philadelphia area. Okay, here's my phone number, 267-885-3473. Again, if you have any questions, give me a call. I'll talk to you soon.